So I want to quickly address an issue concerning this opportunity or this CEX.io airdrop that I shared with you guys some days ago. Okay, so some people came to my DM. They were like, if you come right over to this place, just scroll down, you are going to see this disclaimer here. All right, so if you click on this disclaimer, it says CEXP is not a virtual currency. Tap and Loot is a game. CEXP awarded are for entertainment purposes only and are not guaranteed to possess any monetary or redeemable value. Okay, so I just want to quickly address this issue, and after addressing this issue, I also want to give you more ways on how to earn rights on this opportunity and on this airdrop. So guys, if you were active during the time when Notcoin was being mined, you are also going to notice that Notcoin also gave an update as this. Notcoin also gave an update as this. So I just want to tell you that this thing should not discourage you in any way. Yes, I know not all airdrops are legit, or maybe not all of them will yield something, but you cannot know which one is going to make you a billionaire tomorrow. So therefore, you don't have to take your chances. Make sure you shoot your shot. Make sure you are going to be among, at least be among, whether it is going to pay, whether it's not going to pay. Make sure you are going to be among. And believe me, this project, I've seen much potential on this project. Why? Because this particular airdrop is an airdrop being owned by an exchange. CEX.io is an exchange. If you check their X now, that's their Telegram, you are going to see that they have been growing. Followers have been growing ever since they announced this airdrop. When did they announce this airdrop? I guess it was just 2 days ago. And from 10,000, they have already, from 10,000 players, it has already grown to 1 million, if it haven't even exceeded that 1 million. Maybe by now 2 million, I don't know. You understand? So they have been growing and it has been yielding more and more. And then if you also check their coin on this thing, CoinGecko, you are going to see that it is still going, it is still moving. As of yesterday, their 24-hour trading volume was even up to 10 million naira, $10 million. For now, it is now $5.9 million. But as of yesterday, it grew up to $10 million. And then as of yesterday, the coins on the platform available was I don't think it was up to this number 187, but now it's 187, and then the trust score is 7/10. So therefore, I believe this project is still going to be a very, very lucrative one. So you don't have to joke with this opportunity. Make sure you are going to leverage on this opportunity. Every single thing that you see here is still moving and it is growing perfectly. All right, every single thing is growing perfectly. Now if you come back to this place, you are going to see that I have 40 taps left. Okay, and if you check right over here, I still have this is up to 149,715 points, or CEXP points. All right, so I'll keep tapping until I have exhausted my my tapping space on my power. And each time I keep tapping, once I'm done tapping, I can then click on here which says claim, and I will be able to claim my points. Okay, And after claiming it, I still have other ways to earn more points on this airdrop. So you can check the farm. Right here is the farm. Just as I told you earlier, you come right over here and farm for 4 hours. So whatever the farm yields for you, you come down here and claim it within that 4 hours. Immediately you claim it is still unlimited. Immediately you claim it, you click again. After another 4 hours, you come back, you claim it. You click again. After another 4 hours, you come back, you claim it. And if you check from your squad, that's why you have to be encouraging your squad, so that your people or your referrals will keep taking this update serious. It will be for your good and also for their good, and then you are still going to be earning, you understand. So if you check right over here, I'm still having outstanding 8,919 CEXP, and then I can go ahead to claim. Let me claim it right now. All right, so I have just claimed it. And then if you check from this other place on tax, you just click on tax. As you can see, I have done almost everything right over here, except from the referrals, which I haven't attained yet. Okay, even registering on the app, I have registered. The reward will come after 5 days, so I'm still waiting for the fifth day so that I can get my reward. Just make sure you feel free and leverage on this opportunity. Anytime you have your time, you just come right over here and keep getting the points. Keep getting the points, because your points is your power. And since you know that your points is your power, your earning power, then you just have to take it very serious and keep accumulating more and more points, so that anytime it is being launched, I still believe once it is being launched, this coin or this token will now be added on the cex.io exchange platform, and then you can now trade it with other peers. You can sell on USDT, and then you can convert, and then you can withdraw if you're in Nigeria, or you can also use it to buy any other pair. You can just do anything, just free as anything you can use the coin to do. Okay, so just make sure you take this update serious. Don't sleep on this. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you have any questions, you can always drop it on the comment section. You can also join our Telegram handle via the link on the description section of this video, so that you are not going to miss out on our updates. Okay guys, so I don't think there's any other thing I have to say about this, only for you to take it serious and leverage on it while there's still time. Thank you, and see you in my next video.